my friends! Today I am unboxing and trying a new hairstyling product because I grew tired of blow drying my hair the way I used to, and instead I chose to get this Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. You can adjust the heat levels and you can also use the cooling mode. Basically, the setting is like on any hair dryer. You can turn it on with a rotating switch, selecting the desired heat level. I will use the low heat because my hair is fine. First, I will gently comb through the hair. Truly no tutorial is needed here. My section style is simple, and as you can see, I start from down and by releasing smaller sections make my way up to the top of the head and finish it off with my fringe. If you are somebody who knows how to blow dry your hair, truly this isn't gonna be a rocket science to use this tool, but if you are not experienced with it, then I will explain and show exactly how I did it. This is what worked for me before and now, and I think this isn't gonna change. Again, I'm not a hairdresser, and this is not the how to do it tutorial or video, so it's just the way I do it. So after selecting low heat, I gently comb through my hair, and as I do it, I slightly rotate my wrist and curl the hair inward in order to add volume to the roots. I also make sure I don't place the styling tool directly on my scalp, but I stop maybe a centimeter away from it. Because I am using low heat to minimize the damage, it takes longer to style it properly. First, I'm going to show in real time how long it takes to style the hair while it is still wet. In the end, I use my fingers to create a natural loose curl, and I probably mentioned before that when I use my hands to comb my hair, it makes it more silky and shiny. So I say, comb and caress your hair with your hands more often. I have seen many different reviews. A lot of them were good ones. After seeing the results, especially for fine and thin hair, I got really intrigued to try this tool myself. But there were also negative reviews, some of which I found a little unjust because the reviewers didn't use the tool properly, which didn't bring them the desired result in the end. This is how beautifully it did my hair, and to be honest, when I blow dry it with a fan and a comb, I get aches in my arms and shoulders, and 2 years ago I developed a frozen shoulder which took a good year to recover and get back to normal. What can I say, folks? Aging isn't fun. So with this tool I can rest my arms and don't get that tired feeling in the muscles. And my hair looks just like it was done in a salon. Not to mention how silky and smooth it is. In addition to what I said before, my hair is naturally curly, so with the normal blow-dry process my hair would still remain frizzy to some degree, but not with this tool. Truly, it does work magic. Pardon my face. When I get in the zone of what I do, I truly forget about how I look. I will try and improve my facial expressions. Hopefully that will bring me more followers. And now I'm ready. I love the hair and I love this tool. To me, I found it very user-friendly. I personally ordered it through Amazon because we are under national lockdown here in the UK, so shops are closed and Amazon Prime does wonders. I will leave the link down below if you are considering getting yourself one. I highly recommend you get it if you want to save time, money and effort especially. If you are a hairdresser, I'm sure you can use this tool as well. Little adjustments before I turn it off. Now it is ready. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Maybe you have some concerns. Let's have a lovely chat about it. Cannot stop playing with it. Maybe I should put an effort and fix my face too. Now makeup is also done. What do you think? This is an easy look, very simple, and it complements my hairstyle too. At least I feel that there is a visual overall balance now. No matter where I part the hair, it is easy to style it, and it looks exactly how I want it. Thank you very much for watching. Give it a like or maybe subscribe to see more videos like this one. Bye!